Welcome friends to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making pineapple casserole. You heard me correctly. I had a 20-ounce can of Tidbits pineapple and you drain it. I went with the Tidbits because they're smaller instead of the chunks. So this is the 20 ounces. Then we got crushed pineapple, and I drained that too. That's crushed, 20 ounces. And then we got 2 cups of cheddar cheese. We got a half a cup of sugar. It says a half a cup to a cup, so I went with a half a cup. But it says to taste. I think that's plenty. And 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And this is reserve. When you're straining your pineapple, reserve the liquid, because you're going to need 1/4 cup. And I'm going to mix it. This would go with anything. Ham, pork chops, chicken. We're going to take about 40 Ritz crackers and crush them up, and a half a cup of butter for the topping. I'm going to mix that. I've mixed up my mixture. I'm fixing to put it into a 2-quart casserole dish that I've sprayed with Pam. My oven's at 350. Let's put her in there. I've got my 40 Ritz crackers with a half a cup of butter mixed all together, and we're going to put it on top of the casserole. It's going in the oven 30 minutes. I've got the pineapple casserole out of the oven. It was in there for 30 minutes. Let's take a taste test. Don't that good? Pineapple, cheese, with a little crunch. It's hot. It's good. Not bad at all. I mean, how can you go wrong? Pineapple and cheese. It's got that crunch with a topping. A half a cup of sugar is fine. It's not overly sweet, but you know, it's a little sweet. Be a good casserole for any kind of meat. I think so. Chicken, pork chops, ham. Down in the comments, let me know if you've ever had pizza with pineapple on it. I had a brother that loved pineapple on his pizza. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.